When I TikTok, I don't know what's over here like that. So I don't know how to really use TikTok like that, but I don't know. Can you see that?
Oh, this is beautiful. Is this your bedroom?
Yes.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
How many bed is in this house? How many bed?
This one. Oh, it's a 4-bedroom. It's a
4-bedroom
apartment. Yeah.
So, on the average, how much would this cost? Yes. Yes, now.
Okay.
We want to buy from you now. We want to buy from you. We want to know how much.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ wo live stream tí arábìnrin Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Òjó Abẹ tí wọ́n jọ ṣe nípa tọ̀ ilé rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ kí ẹ wò láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé parí.
It will cost so that we can. Luxury.
In banana, if you want to buy this kind of house, is money.
Yes, no,
It depends
now.
on the area. What area?
In Banana Island, how much is going to cost?
You can Google that one. Don't worry.
So that
I'm not ready to pay tax, Joyce. I don't know. I'm not ready to pay any tax, bro. You can send me a message privately.
Any tax, yo. So I was scared of. But the interior, can you do the same interior if you want the same interior?
Yes. Yes, I did this. This is from us.
Okay.
Yeah. So we do different types. So Taba send me any personal messages. I'll definitely get back to you. We have different types.
I actually love this one I'm saying.
This is 41. Unlike the one I had in Megamon, that one was way bigger than this one. This one is a 6x6. That one was a 8x10. So it's better on the size you want. You know, we can always carve this out any size. Yeah.
Can we check? Can we see the living room? Is it possible we see the living room, or is it down?
I said Demi
Yes, I prefer wole yeni. I prefer wole yeni. I prefer wole yeni.
Okay, so this is my perfume side. I have all my perfumes, and okay, it's my dressing mirror, and my home is a biscatado. Okay, so this is my living upstairs. So this is like my cinema space. Yeah, and it's always very cozy at night, like when you put up the light. So you have that cinema feel. You understand?
Yes.
And then I don't know how to turn the face of the camera, so yeah, my doesn't turn it. Well, this is my
wow.
Yeah. Yeah. So where I have my jewelries, my shades, my jewelries like here. I have the heavy ones in the safe, and nobody's using this place. I just have like it's like a storage.
Don't worry about that side.
That's storage. Yes. So this is my makeup table, but sometimes I do my makeup myself.
Yourself?
Yeah, sometimes I do my makeup myself, and then my wigs are so many, so I have like my wigs are all in this place here. Like I have a whole lot of wigs, like all this place is wigs, all this place wigs. So I'm a Lorungon. Then yes, what else? Okay, so I did all this to myself, like everything, all the designs are from me. All these ones also. This is Rakim's room. But I think the boys Rakim's there. So, oh yes, I have Rakim's room, but I want first to occupy and sing. So first that's Priscilla. But okay. It's not neat, I'm sure. The boys,
I know.
It's rough. But then this is my favorite picture. And okay. So Please.
I love what I'm seeing. I love this thing.
Yeah.
You know the wall. I love the wall.
Yes.
I love
So
that
this is my
wall.
dining. This is my dining space. I still have my Christmas decor, but I'm going to change it soon. That's a balcony. This is my kitchen. Yeah. This is my girl. Hello, my fans.
Hey, it's very beautiful.
This is my
It's very
palm
beautiful.
tree. My palm tree. That's the way downstairs to the BQ. That's the first balcony. This is the living section. So I'm sure I'm going to be motivated. Only content there.
Let's stress her now. We've not. Our Ojo Abe ò tiẹ̀ stress àti Ìyábọ̀ for a long time. Ríyìn stress. Ẹ já stress yín lé ní now.
Oh, that's just it.
This is too beautiful.
Yes, Eshejari. And this is the BQ. I'm sorry, Money BQ. This is the outer balcony. So this outside. Yep. And so that's my mini bar. I always have a bar. I'll pay money lounge. So I always have a bar in my house. Always. It's a ritual. I have a bar in my house. And so we're going to the third floor now.
Third floor?
So this is it's actually 3. So this is the first, the second, and the third. So this is the first floor. So that's the guest toilet. That's my mom's frame. This is Priscilla's vlog. Sherry Priscilla Aboshewaye. Sherry pe o ti tole mi di kini.
Wow.
It's our bag. Yes. Our customers. So that's it. So,
thank you very much.
And okay, so there's one room here. This is the room for my staff. So, and this downstairs. So that's it. Yep. And only last is working at Christmas. Christmas is on outside. So that's it. Finito Sepine.
So for those of you who love luxury like me, because I love see, let's give IYABO OJO our interior. I want our abroad. If you are looking for reliable person in a very good interior. See, I trust 100%.
Check out my page, First Priest Decor. We have First Priest Decor page on Instagram, so they can get to see some other things that we've done there.
What country?
Yeah.
You are asking question?
Is this US? What country, state? For those who want to patronize you, the location.
What?
That's
Countries.
Nigeria.
Oh, that's Nigeria.
Oh, Nigeria.
That's Nigeria. That's Nigeria.
Oh, that's quite impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like for me, I just wanted less but classy. You know?
In fact, I love this
when I was designing my house in Megamon, that was more like I wanted royal. It was more like a family, royal, strong, power. So it depends on what you have in your mind. When I was moving here, I was like, this is me and just me alone. This is like, okay, I have done all the stress. The kids are grown. It's just me and my grandkids alone.
Let me enjoy.
Yes. This is
It's about let me enjoy.
Yes, it's about me enjoying with my grandkids, my grandson for now, until the rest comes on board. You know, so it depends on what you want. Everybody has their own taste and their own style. So, but for me, simple does it.
See, I tell some people, I said, it is not your fault that we are in love with you. You know, some people, you just need them and you love them regardless, you know. And sometimes I call you, I said, you have locked all of us. Like, you have locked us. We cannot do without loving you. We are in love with you. And nothing can stop us from loving you. And you know your aura. Àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n bá ẹni tí ò bá lójú inú, ó ní kò ní rí aura èèyàn dáadáa from you. You understand? Your intention, your aura, it is too pure. So whatsoever we hear or we hear people say about you does not bother us. Cooking get a command people, but they are just opening their mouth and closing it, because your aura, your spirit, it is something that only the blind. October this woman has a very good aura. So you see, keep it up, because it's actually, you are very lucky. It's actually something that money cannot buy. It is just that you are just being blessed. Ageless, you don't look your age. You don't feel bothered about. You look
I'm
beautiful.
28
Like
years old.
And you know the funniest thing about loving someone.
Age is a thing of the mind. So I tell people, like my mom used to say when she was alive, like age is a thing of the mind. So you're going to be. If you want to feel old, like, oh, I'm old, then you're going to start aging. But your inner spirit is what radiates on the outer part of you. So it's what you take in, what you assimilate, what you take in, what you digest is what you bring out. So if you say to yourself, oh, I'm young in spirit, I'm going to live happy, I'm going to be, ageless, I'm going to be pretty, and you have to first of all like love yourself. You must love who you are as a person, appreciate who you are as a person. Do you understand? Work on yourself. Things that you don't like about yourself, try and correct it. It's you, because you just have just one life to live. And when you have that mindset, like, you're gonna be fine. So for me, I've always had that mindset that hey, Amy as our mommy, I just my party needy. you know, when I was much younger. When I was much younger, and me and my friends, when we go clubbing, and the younger ones, they'll be like, yeah, I'm like, Kenny, 87, which might do walking stick or club, mama Joba.
I'm telling you.
And, it used to be funny there when I